Today we have a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is "The Last Woman You'd Want as Your Neighbor."
On June 23, 2022, officers were dispatched to an apartment building after a woman reportedly confronted her neighbor with a knife over noise complaints.
Yeah, we're coming.
Hey, you can hear them outside?
You have a taser? Yeah. You have your taser out? All right.
Okay, Sarge, leading the way. Sarge got the universal key. Oh, he ain't got the key?
I got him on less lethal. Yep. Go my side. 224. Looks like it's gonna be your right side.
Being the shield guide is always fun.
Hey, Monica, you got them dropped? Can I help you? All right. Good. Yeah, send the police. I just want to help. What's going on? How can I help you?
Just a noise complaint.
Okay.
I literally not holding it now.
Yep, you're good. I appreciate it.
us a little bit?
Sure.
Hey,
You're okay.
people were concerned about the knives. Can I make sure you don't have any more on
Well,
you?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, just stand in between. Yep, I got that item.
Don't have anything on me. Literally don't have anything on me. I'm peaceful.
Okay. You're good. Are you okay?
We're good. We're done.
Not really.
You can put your arms on. It's okay. We appreciate it.
Okay.
Now we want to help you. So what's up?
Thanks.
Hey, yeah, we just had to make sure everything was okay. Hey, you can
She institutionalized, boy.
You can take your head off. That's all right.
You're not in trouble. What's going on?
You're not in trouble. Don't worry about them. What's going on?
They're annoying me. They live below me.
Okay. So you're upstairs right above them there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to step over here for a second? We'll make contact with them and we'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Let's go down.
Walk over with my partner over here.
So
I mean, I want to hang out with them.
have you known them for a while? How long have you
No.
lived here?
They're just annoying me. I've lived here for like 2-3 years. But I live directly above them and they're annoying me.
Okay. So you came down. What was your goal coming down here?
Just, I guess, like, quiet the noise.
Okay.
But also to, like, possibly hang out with them. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm not trying to be I'm not trying to be like... They keep saying, like, are we chilling? Like, things like that. And it's like, I would.
It's back up.
Have you hung out with them before?
No, but they're living directly below me, and they're being very annoying. But like, if I had hung out with them, maybe they wouldn't be so annoying, you know? So I'm trying to like
Yeah, I get that.
explore that.
Sure. So what's the deal with the knives there?
I guess I'm afraid.
What are you afraid of?
Well, I've been attacked before, and I have experienced domestic violence, so I guess I'm afraid of my life.
Okay.
Yeah, but you came to their
Anybody in
door.
here? Anybody that lives here in this building or anything like that?
No, not in this building, luckily.
Okay.
Yeah, not in this building.
Do you want to talk to us why you brought the knives down here? You want to talk to somebody?
I'm just like afraid of my life, and that's the only reason why.
But you came to them. How are you afraid for your life? You came to their
That's like the
doorstep.
only reason why I've ever been hospitalized.
Okay. Because someone else hurt you?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. I live right there.
Oh, you going
What'd
to
you
jail?
say to them when you came down to the door?
Hey, can you be quiet? Like, we can hang out. But they were afraid of me, so
Okay.
yeah.
Why do you think they were afraid of you?
Well, I'm obviously a random stranger. And I don't blame them. I would be afraid of me too, I guess.
I'm not afraid of you. I'm happy to be talking to you. Happy that everything's okay.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, I appreciate that.
Is anyone else in your apartment with you right now?
No. I'm not dangerous. I just like am afraid of
Hey, no, yeah, this is, so when we show up like this, I know it must have been scary.
Black people. I have black people in my life.
Okay. Yeah, so when officers show up, I know it's scary when you see a bunch of officers, you know, but when we hear a call, like somebody called us, we just got to respond as safely as possible,
sure.
right?
Yeah.
And so
they're like probably like thinking I'm like some racist person, but like actually.
Why would they think that you're racist?
Because I'm calling the police on them. I don't know. Well, actually, I didn't call them. They called it me, probably.
Okay.
We're gonna send it. I mean, unfortunately, they were a little disturbed by what you did, so we're just gonna hold on to them for now. So
I did that for my safety.
I get that.
Like I would have brought guns if I otherwise didn't have knives for my safety.
Do you have guns? Do you have access to guns?
No.
Okay.
I'm actually disqualified from having the guns. I literally don't want to hurt anyone, so one of the police officers asked me if I believed in God.
That's interesting comment that officers should probably be, you know, straying away from generally. But
Yeah, but apparently I'm like really...
we're not here to judge anyone for any of their religious
Thank
or
you.
sexual or spiritual or otherwise beliefs. That's not what we're here for.
I'm not...
Yep. Can't really talk about nothing controversial. So, yeah. Especially as an officer, you know, those are topics that you definitely stay away from. But her story don't add up. She's on the influence of something. Listen, I like apartment buildings. I like condos and things of that nature or whatever is what I feel more comfortable with. You know, I'm a city boy at heart. I don't really have problems with neighbors below me. You can't even hear neighbors below you. Like that doesn't even, now neighbors above you, yeah, you know what I'm saying? They may be stomping or the music might come down or whatever the case. Something like that is understand, but you're above them. You shouldn't even be hearing anything below. I've never heard things from people that have lived below me. It's always people that live above you because you hear whatever is going on, you know what I'm saying? And don't let it be late at night and, you know, my boy cracking his old lady, you know what I'm saying? Getting crazy or something, you know what I mean? They you know, they having a good time. Grown folks business, you know what I mean? It's like you know, depending on the place that you at, whatever, the walls may be thin or whatever, you can hear things like that, you know? And it's just, you know, you root them on. You be like, yeah, my guy getting some, you know? But in all seriousness, though, she's just cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. That's pretty much what it comes down to.
Trying to judge you guys either.
Do you have any roommates or anything?
No.
Okay.
Can I have my knives back? Those are like my kitchen utensils.
I get it, but unfortunately, we're probably going to have to collect them. I'm not going to lie to you. I know it's annoying, but because what you did could be considered a crime, just so you know, a disorderly conduct or an assault when you bring an edged weapon like that. So
I get that, but like I was also like just defending my life.
I get it, but maybe not the best way to confront someone being loud and a noise complaint is to bring a couple large knives. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like
So-
on the back like that.
Is there a stairwell down on that side? Do you know?
I think on that side.
Is there one on
There's definitely one there.
just apartments? Okay.
If they knew who I was, they'd want to hang out with me. They wouldn't want to be.
You seem like a decent person to hang out with. Did you run track?
Yeah,
Were you fast?
yeah. I was the team captain.
Awesome. Good for you.
Thank you.
Glenbird South.
Yes.
You working anywhere right now?
Yeah, I'm actually working at a hospital.
What do you do at the hospital?
I just check in people for like blood work and mammograms and X-rays and
That sounds pretty important.
I guess
Yeah.
I'm pretty important and old people are trying to recognize that.
Yeah.
Like I said, I want to hang out with them actually.
Well, yeah,
She's
like you
high.
said, too, like you agreed with us, like they seem a little rattled, so I mean, maybe there'll be time in the future to get to know them a little more, you know?
Maybe. Probably not.
But hey, so just for future reference too, if you ever have an issue with noise, like, hey, my neighbors are being real loud, you can call us.
Okay.
We're happy to go and knock on their door and talk to them.
Okay, yeah, I guess I shouldn't show up with freaking knives. That's wrong.
Well, I'm glad that everything was okay and everybody's all right, you know?
Yeah, I'm not. I would never hurt anyone.
That's good.
Yeah, I would never hurt anyone.
Hey, I get it. I would never want to diminish what happened in your past that made you want to protect yourself that way. I'm never going to diminish that, okay? But
Thank you.
Yeah, we just want to make sure everybody's safe.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm not gonna lie to you because you've been nothing but decent with us. All we're waiting for right now, so you know, is we're just trying to talk to the other half just to see if there's any more that happened than what's going on. That's
Yeah,
all.
no, I literally showed up and I was like, probably seemed like I was crazy. I was like, you know, like knives behind me, and I was like, hello. Like, that's literally like all that has happened. But
Did you make any threats to them or anything?
no, I'm sorry. I'm just like, I'm tired. No. I was in the shower and I heard them.
What'd you hear in the shower?
Just loudness.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have black friends. I love black people, actually.
That's good.
Yeah. In fact, I'm supportive of CRT theory, whatever that means.
Critical
like,
race theory?
Critical race theory. Yeah, like I'm a supporter of it. Like, I believe in it fully. I have black friends, close friends.
That's good. It's good to have a diverse group of friends, you know?
Yeah, I think so too.
So based on all the evidence that we have here, we're gonna have to take you down to the police station, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we'll get this straightened out here, and then we just, gotta go down there, do some paperwork, stuff like that, okay?
It's a disorderly conduct is what it is. They felt alarmed and disturbed by your actions, so we got to do some paperwork. We got to fingerprint you and photograph you. You are going to be arrested.
That's fine.
But
I've been arrested
But
before.
what we'll tell you is that my partner here or someone else is going to give you a ride right back to the PD, okay? Do you need a pair of shoes or something like that?
No, can I please get them from my own apartment? Like,
Yeah, if we walk up there with you, is that okay with you? We'll walk up there with you. That's fine. I'll lead the way.
Thanks.
Police department. Oh, you're working on a puzzle. How about these slippers right here? Are these good?
Yeah, these are good.
Let's walk on down here, okay? We'll lock up for you.
Stop right here for a second, okay? That's secure?
Yep, let me see if these, I'm gonna double check that these are the right ones before I lock your door for you.
Thank you.
Which one is it? A little silver one, or do you know which one
I
it
think
is?
the gold ones.
The gold ones? Okay, let's check. Oh, yep. Yes, is it through the building? Silver one works. Yep, silver one works. You ready?
You mentioned are you taking something when you're about to say something? What's that? What do you take that for?
Alcohol, feelings, needs.
You've been drinking alcohol and taking.
Yeah, it's been a little bit over a month.
Have you had a little bit tonight? Okay, that's okay. It's not a crime just to be intoxicated, okay? You sure you don't want to see medics?
Yes.
Hey, if anything changes, you let us know, okay? And then if we see anything that we find overwhelmingly concerning, we're gonna call them for you, okay?
You call my partner. We could do 95 downstairs. I just want her to be. As long as we're with her, I don't think we'll stay in front.
You could do a 95. You could lock her up
Right over
downstairs.
There. Back for me, please.
All right, we're gonna go right to the car.
The woman was charged with assault and disorderly conduct. After the booking process, officers released her to a hospital for treatment.
Yeah, makes sense. Boy. Yeah, she's just a train wreck, man. Just a train wreck. Hopefully she gets the help that she needs, man, because you could definitely tell she's under the influence of something that is not how you approach your neighbors. That is not, whatever. You can't use no self-defense or I'm there for protection. You went to their door. They didn't come to your door. It's not like they went to your door, pressed the issue with you, and you grabbed a weapon or something like that. You went and approached them with a weapon. You're cooked. You're done. That's it. Anyways, cops get a 5 out of 5 from me. They did an excellent job talking to her or whatever. I wish we had some body cam footage of what the victims actually said. I would love to hear their side of the story. And yeah, that's it, man. 5 out of 5 for me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.